residency training, I learned that there is an urgent need for free medical care for survivors. So I started doing house calls, especially to those who were homebound or incapable of traveling to clinics. As the first lockdown in Israel began, I became overloaded with far too many requests for me to handle just by myself. Magda Greif, an Israeli physician and Holocaust survivor, was found dead in her home, apparently 2 weeks after she had passed away on Passover Eve. This tragic event shocked me and was the major driving force for me to start thinking bigger and to take action. The response was incredible and overwhelming. I think that my call to action resonated with so many doctors. Within just a few days, hundreds of physicians from all specialties of medicine signed up to volunteer. During these difficult times of social distancing and isolation, simple procedures can yield a huge impact on a survivor's life. I'll give you an example. An ENT physician made a house call to clean out the auditory canals of a survivor. Now, before her visit, her deteriorating hearing made it almost impossible for her to communicate with her friends and family. After this very basic procedure, she became able to reach out to relatives, listen to the radio, and in effect, reconnect with the outside world. As a doctor, I feel an obligation to care and protect every last living survivor before it is too late. Being able to do so is deeply meaningful to many, and in turn, I can even say, transforms us as doctors.